One Piece Madness. So this is my first try noon na bumili ng One Piece card online. So nakakainganyo kasi yung mga rip and ship nila na pa-video doon na online selling. So I tried to check if I have some lucks here to get some treasures. So ayan na nga. So binubuksan na as you can see. And doon medyo hesitant akong bumili online kasi I thought it was fake. Pero di naman pala. Judgmental lang talaga ako. Anyway, so ayan yung mga cards na nakuha ko. So you can see. Good hits. Oh, ayan. Ayan pinaka-good hits ko talaga dyan. Same feeling, napakalupit. First try ko pa lang yan noon, pero rare na agad na nakuha ko. Doflamingo. And I got hooked that time. So I am still purchasing the One Piece cards and all. Pero stay tuned for more episodes. See ya!